Hello, my name is Zara Romero. I'm an attorney here in Tempe, Arizona. I do immigration and exile law. And today I have a very special guest. I have Ana Cardenas from Legal Docs and More. Ana, can you just tell us what you do a little bit?
Yes. Well, like she said, my name is Anna, and I do legal document preparation, which is immigration, family, weddings, and also I'm a notary, a mobile notary.
In this video, we're going to be talking about kind of having a plan of attack for life and after death plans, because that's something that we don't like to talk about, that we don't prepare, that we think about, but we don't take any action. So this video is just to give more information as to the rights someone has, what they can do, what they should do, when they need an attorney, when they need a document preparer. So can you just give us an overview of the things that we'll be talking about today?
Yes, we'll be talking about what is a durable and limited power of attorney, living wills, last will, testaments, trust, and what are the costs for these documents.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the limited power of attorney?
A limited power of attorney is something that you leave to someone that you trust that specifically says what you're letting them do for you, what you're allowing them to sign on your behalf.
Mhm.
So whether it's finances, taxes, properties,
Mhm.
anything that is financial.
Does this also include, for example, making decision over children?
Yes, you can do one specifically for children. That way, if anything happens to you, you're in an accident or you're in jail, your kids will be with someone that you trust instead of with the state.
And that's good because I have the situation where a lot of my clients are detained and sometimes they don't have this type of documentation. Um, does this document need to be notarized?
It does need to be notarized, so the a notary has to go to that location because obviously they can't come to us. But yes, it has to be notarized.
And what is a durable power of attorney?
A durable power attorney goes further than a limited because that goes beyond a limited. It's only to a certain, you can put an expiration date or you make another one and it will expire. But this one is even if you're incapacitated, even if you're in a coma and you cannot make decisions for yourself.
Okay. So once you do, let's say a power of attorney, is it forever or can you cancel it? How does that work?
Sorry, you can put a due date or you can do another one and then the previous one will expire automatically.
Okay. So for example, can you tell me what's a will and a last testament?
Last will and testament is, well, basically a living will first. It's a document that you do that is irreversible. I mean, if you're in a irreversible coma or you're in the hospital and you cannot make decisions for yourself and your family has to do them for you, you will leave a document saying specifically what you want to be done. If you want to be connected or not, or you want your organs to be donated, what exactly you want to be done with you.
So I already have my living will. So basically, I have outlined my wishes that what I want, what type of treatment I want in the case that I have a terminal illness or this or that. So basically, my wife is who's the person that's assigned that can make those determinations. All she has to do is follow the instructions I left. If she cannot do so, or she cannot, basically she was also involved in a car accident, then I have an alternate person that can make those decisions. And what about a last will and testament?
Well, the last will and testament is what you want to do with your property, with your personal property, when how you want it to be distributed. So that's when you do your last will and testament. That's your last will, who you want to leave your things to.
Okay. Because what if someone doesn't write down their what they wish to do and they pass away? Then what can happen?
Then your family will go into chaos because that creates a problem. Everybody will want to make the decisions and everybody's going to want to divide the things as they wish. And that's when conflict comes
Yeah.
into effect. So it's better to have everything in writing and left for someone else to read once you're gone.
Let's see. And can you tell me what a trust is?
A trust is basically something that carries no taxes. Like the testament, whoever receives the properties obviously has to pay taxes on those properties because he received them. A trust, there's no taxes involved. It's protected, and this allows the family business or the family properties to go on and move down the line for years to come. It will stay within the family.
Okay. So we also have listed the costs of what's average for all the documents that we talked about. The on the low end, on the high end, I know there's different costs to attorneys, a document preparer. You as a document preparer, where would your fees fall?
On the low end of the cost.
And sometimes when, for example, some people don't need an attorney. Sometimes they just know exactly what they want. It's very basic. And when it's those types of situation, you can go ahead and do it yourself. You can go with a document preparer that will help you fill out those paperwork. But if you're not sure what to do, what you should do, you should go to an attorney who practices in this type of law that they can make recommendations. I unfortunately don't practice this area of law, so I'm not knowledgeable enough for this, but I always have referrals for different attorneys. It's always a good, Anna's always a good starting point to see, and she's pretty straightforward to see if she can help you or if you require an attorney. If you have further questions, our information is on the screen. You can always give us a call. My office is in Tempe. Where is your office located?
In Phoenix, on 16th Street and Osborne.
All right, thank you guys. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
your time, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.